come to Swansea just after I finished my PhD study. I feel so lucky to have this job. It's my dream job. I like to visit the Gower area. Whatever the season is, you can go there and have a very unique experience. My favorite beach in Gower is Rosalie Bay. I just run and breathe the fresh air from the sea.
My wife and I chose Swansea University because it's a great place to start a career and now to evolve a career. We've been in Swansea University for more than 10 years now. We enjoy a very relaxed university and great settings to carry out our research and our teaching.
I had really good memories of Wales because when I was a child I came to visit. And I knew that people are very warm-hearted and welcoming. So I applied and I was offered the job, and here I am.
I started as a student at the University of South Wales, and here I am today, working in the capacity of a researcher. Brecon is always my preferred destination, really, if I want to visit any place. And my kids love it as well, so I always love to take them there, so that they appreciate the beautiful landscape that is in Wales.
I did my first degree in England, so at that time I thought that England is equivalent to UK. UK is England, until I visited Wales. The uniqueness of Wales, of the Welsh culture, is really beautiful. Very, very friendly.
Every day I cycle to work and quite often I stop by here and I love having my coffee with the boats at the back, and it's kind of my life now.
One of my favorite places is Caerphilly Castles. When my family, friends visit me in Wales, that's the first place I'll bring them. To me, that's the most beautiful castle in the world.
Wales offers all colors. So you've got the blue of the sea, you've got the greens of the woodland, and you've got the grey of the slate. And then if you're very lucky, you've got the gold of a sunny evening.
This is a very, very good, best place for me to work, as you can raise your children here, to enjoy the best of both countryside as well as the city life. This has become my home.
I wish everyone in the world would come to see what a beautiful place this is.